Time for your first drawing challenge. The letter B. Oh yeah, I've totally got this. Just you wait to see what I can do. The letter B is going to blow their minds. Hey, what's Madison doing over there? She's drawing a bunch of lines. Doesn't look like a B to me. Time for me to win this challenge. Done! It's perfect! Look, Madison. I drew a perfect B. Yep, that looks very nice. Ugh, it's so dusty in here. Achoo! My drawing! It's flying away on the sneeze! Where did it even go? And why isn't it back yet? Ow! There it is. Ew, it's so gross! And my artwork is totally ruined! Annie, what kind of artwork is that? It's gross! Let's just take a look at Madison's drawing. Oh, very nice! Your B gets an A! Madison, can you show me how you did that? Of course I will! Start with a big line on the left, and then 8 smaller lines like this. Turn them into squares. The last ones should be angled. Now we need to add 3 more angled lines here. Time to connect these lines like this. Add top and bottom lines and inner lines. Finally, just add some shading with a pencil. A cotton swab can help to blend. Rub it everywhere you shaded with pencil. It's starting to look really good. And it's done. Easy, right? Okay, girls. Here we go. Now it's your turn. We're drawing hands, huh? Interesting. I have an idea. Check that out. What happened? Oh. Just a little electric surge. Is that shadow my hand? I just had the best idea ever! Now, that's better. And we have light, ladies and gents! Let's do it! First, trace your hand. Then turn your hand into an adorable little bird. Color him in with a white chalk pen. Don't color the wing just yet. Okay, now you can. And don't forget about those little feet. I don't know how to draw this thing. Huh? That looks stupid. Anything? I just don't see it. Ha! That's the one! Ooh! My aim was a little off. Let's try this one. Trace your hand like this. Then turn it into a cute little doggy. Doesn't look like a hand anymore, right? Check out that giant tongue. Then give him brown fur. Time's up! Check these masterpieces out! Those were your hands? Incredible! And your deck is just fantastic! Truly remarkable! Perfect! How do I choose a winner? They're both so wonderful. 2 judges for 2 deserving winners. So we both won this round? What do you think the next one's gonna be? Look up here! Challenge 3 has begun! Oh. This one seems hard. Stars can be tough to draw. Wait! There's another aspect to this challenge. Ooh, the hat! Wait, what are we supposed to do with this hat? Turn it upside down, please! Magic art hands! Now reach inside the hat. You go first, Annie. Oh wow! Colorful markers! This is great! I love them! Ooh, I want color too! Come on, colorful markers! Wait, these aren't markers? Haha! You got weird glasses! Guess you should have gone first! Ladies, please return my hat. Here you go, Roberta! Madison, try on the glasses! Ugh, I guess so. What the heck? How am I supposed to draw anything? No way! Oh, they won't come off! No, no, no! The glasses are part of your challenge! Ugh, fine. Guess I'll try to draw a star now. This is so hard. It probably looks terrible. Glad I didn't get the glasses. Time to draw a star. First, I need intersecting lines. And then I'll start connecting them. All the way around like this. Now for the remaining lines too. Done! Time for some color. I can tell this is gonna be great. Coloring is so fun to do. Good thing I can stay in the lines. This is turning out good. Almost done. Just one left. I did it! Perfect! Oh, time's up! Hey, I can take off the glasses now! Oh no, look what I drew! It's terrible! Ew, Madison! Put it away! This is the most perfect star I've ever drawn! Excellent job, Annie! A very fine star! Unfair! Time for another spin! Hearts are our favorite! And we have the perfect models! 1, 2, 3, go! So handsome! He has my heart all right. That's my David! Your David? Well, this is awkward. Don't fight, girls. There's gotta be a way to settle this. Hello? You give me no other choice. And poof! Not so handsome anymore. Sorry, girls. He's mine! Huh? Has he always looked like this? What was I thinking? Ugh! His smile looks different. I hate to judge. Oh, right. Hey, Annie! Is that David? I look okay? Where? Ha! Sucker! Don't see him? Where? My markers are all gone! Madison, did you take them? Well, that wasn't very nice. Try to steal her stuff now. Is Madison frozen? Oh, these are mine. Thank you very much. We're drawing hearts, right? To make a perfect heart, enclose it in a rectangle. And add stripes with a ruler. Then curved lines in the heart. You can use different colors. Outline the heart and make it nice and dark. Now make both sides match. Use white to make a sheen effect. My heart's finished and it's 3D! And unfreeze! But I didn't draw anything! This chair is incredible, Annie! So cool! Sorry about the theft. For me? Thank you! As long as I have David.
Can you mimic what I'm drawing here? It kind of felt like a stretched out M. Whoa! That's interesting. What? Are you sure that's what you felt? Let's see if you can get this. Yeah, I'm so nailing this. It's like for every line Claire draws, Olivia does the weird upside-down version. What's your pen doing up there? What's that brain of yours doing, girl? Oh, sorry. Let's see if you can get this. Feel these. Hey, that's the closest she's gotten. Ready to compare? Whoa. It's like Picasso's take on my dog. I swear I didn't feel any of that. I didn't know the paper was so thin. Oops. Is it just me? Or is it a little chilly in here? There you go. All better.